10 minutes of jump rope every day will do this to your body. In today's video, discover the reasons why jumping rope makes a great addition to your fitness routine. By the way, when was the last time you used a jump rope? On your PE class, perhaps? We get you, we've been there too. If you're in doubt of the benefits of jumping rope or just aren't confident with not looking silly when doing it at the gym, allow our video to convince you otherwise. Want to hear some of the benefits? It's a great calorie burner for one. Another thing is that it helps develop your mental capacity. These and many other benefits that we will be talking about today, so make sure to stay tuned. Number 1, burns calories. Did you know that only a handful of exercises can burn calories as jump rope does? Even jumping at a moderate rate can already burn off 10 to 16 calories a minute. Up your jump rope exercises into a 10-minute round and you're looking at 160 calories. Furthermore, skipping rope for 10 minutes is around the same thing as running an 8-minute mile. Cool, right? Number 2, improves bone density. High calcium diet is widely known to increase bone density, but so does jumping rope. Surprised? According to studies, jumping for 10 minutes a day can provide greater bone-building benefits than running. Even for elderly and athletes, simply jumping is one of the top effective exercises for boosting bone density. Number 3, develops agility and quickness. Want to be able to move quickly and lightly? Jumping rope for 10 minutes a day can help you achieve that. It also helps your body connect with your mind to make neuromuscular adjustments, improving your balance. It targets your calves, knees, and ankle joints. In essence, this exercise can boost your quickness and balance by making your mind concentrate on your footwork for sustained periods. As such, it helps reduce incidents such as foot and ankle injuries. Why do you think boxers seem to favor jump rope so much? Number 4, makes a good brain workout. One of the amazing things about jumping rope is that it doesn't just benefit your outer appearance but also your brain. Activities that have physical and mental demands like jumping rope have stronger impacts on cognitive functioning. Jumping helps improve the development of the left and right hemispheres of the brain. As a result, it boosts your memory, reading skills, and mental awareness. Number 5, extremely affordable and versatile. Jump rope is easy to incorporate whether in your daily morning or evening routines. Depending on your free time, it can be used as a warm-up or an exercise itself. You just need a rope, sufficient space, be it in your home, outdoors, or at the gym, and the flat surface to ensure your smooth rhythm and footing. There are also tons of workout guides on jump rope for beginners on the internet. To spice things up and inject a bit more fun, try performing different tricks and alternate your speed. Now, are you giving jump rope a chance? Comment your thoughts or if you have questions for us below.